And this is our YouTube account called As
Real as Zebras.
As Real as Zebras.
It's new, we forget it. So, yeah.
We cut that off, okay?
What?
No!
Did we say name? Sorry.
Oh.
That was a cell phone. Go away.
Okay.
Our age is... Our names are...
Thank you. But
Nina.
that might be hard to say.
Nah. No. Ray. Yeah.
I have been in USA and they couldn't pronounce my name. I'm so...
My name is Nicoline.
I thought it was her dog.
Oh my God.
It was my dog.
What's your
was
name?
it?
What's your name?
Well, my name is Lady. I know it's Lady. You know, a lady. It's a weird name, so please don't make fun of me. I'm sorry.
I think it's a fun name. I love it. I want to be called Lady.
Okay. Our category, what we are gonna be doing, is challenges. Yeah. For you.
And they made me sing, but don't expect so
She's
many
really
videos.
good.
She's gonna
She's
sing.
really good.
She's
She's gonna
sing.
sing.
We're gonna make.
Okay,
her.
Yeah.
cut. We are cutting here.
Yeah, no,
we are
we're
cutting
not.
here.
No,
Oh,
we're not.
shut
No, we're not.
up. Okay.
You,
Okay.
we hope you're not like our show.
Hey,
Okay.
Okay.
No.
We're not done.
no, hey, no.
Me?
Yes.
Pause.
Pause. Pause. Pause.
Let's let out your dog.
Pause. Okay. We're going to
Who
take
let
this to
the
the
dogs
bloopers.
out?
Never mind. No, shut up. Okay. What was it?
And she. And
That was on purpose.
called Balder.
And she has a weird laugh.
Oh no, I don't have a weird laugh. Don't
Yeah,
make
very
fun of
weird.
me.
We all have weird laughs.
I don't.
Get moving.
I don't. That's it. We hope that you guys will follow and see you later.
Why are you curling the paper? That's mine.
Hey, so
Stop.
I hope you keep watching even though they're kind of...
Yeah.
weird.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Don't
bye.
push me. Don't push me.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
How the hell do you turn this?
Stop. Oh my gosh.
Bye.
Oh my.